In 1815, Mount Tambora erupted, causing a year without a summer. Crops failed and famine loomed. Yet in Switzerland, Mary Shelley found inspiration in the gloomy weather, penning Frankenstein. Amidst despair, creativity flourished. How often do we overlook the silver linings in our storms? This historical twist reminds us that gratitude can transform adversity into opportunity. Shelley's novel, born from volcanic ash, still captivates readers today, proving that even in darkness, light can emerge. Embrace gratitude and watch your challenges become stepping stones to greatness.